Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can exchange stickers for rewards in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in with your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Monopoly Go's homepage where the actual game is played. Now at the bottom tree of icons, there will be a feature named Albums. Just tap on it and the stickers page will open up in front of you. Here all of your stickers along with duplicate or similar stickers will be saved. If you tap on the wallet icon at the bottom right corner, you'll be redirected to the reward section. If you have any duplicate stickers, all of your respective stickers will be converted into stars. There are basically three types of rewards with different prices and rewards quantity. And that's how you can exchange stickers for rewards in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.